Good afternoon, Clayton and Rabun County. I am Rick Story with Forward Rabun, and we are here on an absolutely gorgeous Friday here in Clayton. We're here with Dr. Patterson and Dr. Patterson's staff, the new Patterson Family Smiles office here on War Woman Road. And guys, this office looks amazing. This is such a long-standing practice here in Clayton and in Rabun County. I know this was Dr. Gillespie's before that, and you guys came along, kept the practice going, moved just down the street to this new location right here at the corner of Bleckley Drive, Bleckley Street and War Woman Road. Fantastic facility. Dr. Patterson and Dr. Patterson, tell us a little bit about what's going on here and about what you guys are doing here.
Yeah, thank you guys for coming out. Like, we wouldn't be here without the support of Clayton and our patients and the staff. It's been a team project to get to the finish line. And we're gonna be the same, just better here, we think. And we're just excited to bring it to the community. We appreciate y'all's support. And we're excited to get this rolling here.
All right, well, we're excited about this, and I know Mayor Roy Williams here with us today, and such a great addition to the city of Clayton and just to what we're doing here and just taking care of Clayton and all of Rabun County and all of its residents. Your team is here behind us. I know you have some new dentists, some local folks. We're glad to see them there and just really excited about it.
Yep.
So what do you guys say that we cut this ribbon? All right.
Let's do it.
All right, on the count of 3. All right, ready? You girls can help me count. 1, 2, 3. All right, there we go. All right. Congratulations.
Thank y'all for coming out. I appreciate it. Thank y'all.
Yes, sir.
Hey guys, we just finished the ribbon cutting, and I just appreciate everybody's support, from the staff to the people who came. My parents were here. It was really great for me, and I know for a lot of people, taking pictures and doing this kind of stuff is their least favorite thing, but they came, and everybody did it because they're excited, and we're excited. And we're excited to see you come in here for your cleanings and us to get to show it to you. And so from the bottom of our hearts, thanks for the support, Clayton, and the chamber that came out, and our great staff and the doctors we have here that show so much teamwork. And thank all you guys for being our patients, because that's what allows it to happen. Thanks.